Hello everyone, welcome back. Next exercise is to factorialize a number. What do we mean by that? We return the factorial of the provided integer. If the integer is represented with the letter n, a factorial is the product of all positive numbers less than or equal to n. Factorials are often represented with the shorthand notation of n exclamation mark. For example, 5 factorial will be equal to 120 after multiplication from 1 to 5. Only integers greater than or equal to 0 will be supplied to the function. In that case, return num into factorialize num minus 1. Num minus 1. And since we are solving it using recursion, then we need to give a base condition. If num is strictly equal to 0, in that case return 1. This looks good. Run the tests, download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.